And now we've got the timing chains on. So just to recap what we had to do here, we had to take off this right side timing sprocket. As you can see, the chains will not clear off of here. I did replace all the chains. I had to kind of label them with some marker as for the part numbers, because it was kind of getting a little complicated with all the chains that I had in these boxes. Now, quick recap. These guides replaced, this tensioner replaced. Make sure that gasket's not flipped or missing or janky when you install that. That's obviously oil pressure that drives this tensioner. That's this new one here. You've got to make sure that you put a dowel in here and your centering pin in the crank centering hole there. Basically, you do a revolution once you've got your chain on and everything bolted up. Then you release the tension, do another revolution, make sure everything is on top dead center where it should be. Then you torque these guys down. 16 Newton meters, 9 Newton meters, 30 Newton meters plus 90. It always helps to have the right tools. I have the Snap-on digital torque wrench here. Well worth my investment. I've done a lot of engine builds with this little guy. It's a 3/8, goes down to 6 Newton meters, and it does the trick for me here. So that should be it for now. Next time we'll be putting the oil pump in, oil pans in. I say pans plural, and then get the timing cover on so we can get this party started, and then put that in that 4M Q7. This is a new design of the engine. It's called the compressor Evo for Evolution. It has a more integrated setup, less chains than the previous 3.0T supercharged engine that they ran from 2009 to 2016. This model here has the dual rail injection, and we still have yet to pull out the motor. You got this as a donor block here with only 120,000 kilometers, 70,000 miles, and we'll see what comes out of it.